Hey everyone, my name's Alfio and today I'll be showing you how to make amazing raw vegan walnut burgers. These walnut burgers are sure to satisfy you in the winter, and especially if you're craving some yummy comfort foods, these are the raw vegan version of comfort foods. Let's get started with the ketchup. I'm going to be using my high-speed blender. Now we're going to start with our mushroom burger patty slider deliciousness. We're going to be adding 2 cups of raw soaked walnuts, 2 cups of mushrooms, 3 tablespoons of coconut aminos, a tablespoon of hemp seeds, a tablespoon of chia seeds. Let's pulse this. Ready? Go. And it's super yummy. Let me try it. Raw burger patty right there. Some reddish yellow bell pepper. You could use any color. 1 dollop right there. Can I try it now? Well, if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Alficado. Follow me on Instagram at Alficado. Thank you so much for watching.